Hey, my name is Cassie Cook, and this is my lesson on dividing fractions. So I will show you over here. Oh, and I apologize for the glare. Cannot fix it. I've tried. But this will be attached to my lesson plan, so you'll be able to see it. And I'm going to try to write down here, so that way it's visible. But so this is pretty lengthy. So I'm going to teach my lesson as if they know this song, they've already learned the song, and we're gonna start doing practice. So I'm just gonna use the first 4 lines that you see here and the movement that goes with it, partly for the sake of time. But this way it's up there for students when I start having them do independent practice. Okay. Let's move these. All right, guys, now that we have learned our song, we know our steps are keep it, change it, flip it. Let's try some problems on the board. So once I get this written up here, we're going to talk about it. We're going to sing the shorter version of our song and then work it out together. Okay? So my first problem is going to be 12. Oh, there we go. Divided by 1/3. Okay, I'm going to give you guys just a second to get that put on your whiteboards. Okay, now let's use our song and our hand motions to solve our problem. Okay, so everybody whiteboards down, markers down. Okay, ready? So we have bum, 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 bum. Keep it, change it, flip. Good. Bum, 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 bum. Keep it, change it, flip. So I have 12, but I need to make that a fraction. So anytime I have a whole number, I'm going to put it over 1. So now let's use our song. So we had keep it, change it, flip. So what do I do here? I'm gonna write a K. That way I remember to keep it. Now I need to change it. I'm gonna change my division to multiplication. And now I need to flip it. So we have keep it, change it, flip it. So now instead of, 12 over 1 is gonna stay the same. We'll write it in red. Now we're going to change it to a multiplication, and I'm going to flip it. So I'm going to show you our hand motions again. So we have keep it. So this is my numerator, and this is my denominator. Change it, flip it. So now my denominator becomes my numerator, and my numerator becomes my denominator. They're just going to flip. So it's going to become 3 over 1. Okay, and we have 12 times 3, which is 36. Good. And what is 1 times 1? 1. Now, I have to simplify. Can I leave it like this? No, we have to simplify. How many times does 36 go into 1? 36. Perfect. Okay, let me see your whiteboards. I want to see that you're working it out with me. Good. Okay. Okay, my next problem is going to be, ooh, I like this one. Let me switch back to black. So I have 7 divided by 3/4. Okay, everybody pencils down, whiteboards down, or pencils. Y'all have markers. Anyway, markers down, whiteboards down. We got to sing our song so we know how to solve our problem. Okay, ready? Bum, 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 bum. Keep it, change it, flip. Bum, 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 bum. Keep it, change it, flip. Good. Okay, so what's the first thing I'm gonna do? Okay, I'm gonna keep it. Oop. Oh, I don't like that. Try again. There we go. Okay, we keep it. Now I change it. Good. And last we flip it. Okay, so can I leave 7 as just 7? No, what do I have to do? Put it over 1. So I have 7 over 1. Now we said we have to keep it, change it. What do I change my division to? Multiplication, perfect. And flip it. So these two are going to flip and my fraction becomes what? 4/3, perfect. Now, the easy part, we multiply. Okay, so 7 times 4 is 28. And 1 times 3 is 3, good. So now, I need all of you to figure out what my fraction is. How many times does 3 go into 28? Do we need some help? Okay, if we don't remember off the top of our heads, how many times 3 goes into 28? Make a little corner up here and do your division. So I have 3 cannot go into 2, but 3 can go into 28. So now we're back at our same problem. So I know 3 times 7 is 21. So 3 times 8 is 24. 3 times 9, 27. So 27 is as close as we're going to get. So we have 1 left over. So my fraction is going to be 9 because it can go, 3 can go into 28 9 times. But we had 1 left over, so it's going to be 9 1/3. Perfect. And now you know what to do if you can't remember. Okay. Let's do one more together with our song, and then I'm going to give you a couple to practice. Ooh, I like this one. Okay. So I have 11. Oh, wrong color. 11 divided by 2/3. Okay, so now we're going to keep it, change it, flip it. Okay? So everybody do your hand motions. You don't have to sing this time, but I need to make sure we remember. So keep it, change it, flip it. Good. So 11, what do I need to do to that? 11 over 1, perfect. Oh, okay. Forgot my color change. Okay, there we go, 11 over 1. Now I gotta change it. So I changed division to multiplication, good. And then I changed 2/3 to 3 over 2, perfect. Now I multiply. So 11 times 3, 33. And 1 times 2 is 2. So let's see. Let me double check. Yeah, I'm right. Okay. So how many times can 2 go into 33? I'll give you guys just a second if you need it. 16, perfect. And how many is left over? 1. So now what do I need to do here? Put it over 2. Perfect. Okay, I'm going to give you guys a problem to do on your own. So this one is going to be make that a little bit bigger. There we go, 2 divided by 3/8. Okay, so I'm going to take a brief pause and explain this part. So when I have students do independent practice, the idea would be for them to use this if they need it, but also double check themselves using their hand motions, and I'm getting ready to make that verbal note. But being that this is technically independent practice on their whiteboards, I wanted to throw this in there. Okay, so back to it. All right, guys, so as you work, if you need it, use your song. You can use the whole version, short version, whichever you need. Use your hand motions. That's an easy way to remember. Remember, your numerator goes on top. Flip it. Now your numerator's on the bottom. Okay, I'm gonna give you guys one more second. All right. So we're gonna sing our song one more time. So everybody, markers down. Okay, ready? So bum 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 bum. Keep it, change it, flip. Bum 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 bum. Keep it, change it, flip. Good. Okay, so I have to keep it. So 2 stays the same, except for the fact that I have to put it over what? 1. Perfect. Change it. Multiplication. And flip it. What does my fraction turn into? 8/30. Perfect. And now we multiply. So 8 times 2 is 16. And 1 times 3 is 3. Perfect. Okay, so we're done, right? Now what am I forgetting? Simplify. Perfect. I wanted to see if you guys would catch that. Okay, so 3 goes into 16 5 times. How many are left over? 1. Perfect. Over 30. So we have 5 1/3. Good. So in just a second, I'm going to pass out a few cards, and these cards on them are going to have different problems. I want you to practice by yourself. If you finish yours, trade with a neighbor, and then we are all going to talk about them in just a few minutes.